is going on, guys? Check it out. Look right behind me here, right in front of you. Look at this place. Somebody told me about this, filled me in on a little secret, and I thought, hey, we're gonna bring the Monster Xmaxx out here and give it a shot. I'm gonna run the Xmaxx today with these big old Monster Claw tires. We've got it set up on 8S with the TP5660 censored motor, Mamba Monster 8S, and she's green. So let's get the batteries plugged in, guys, and we will be off and running. All right, guys, here we go. Let's check out the track. Well, there's my first crash with the truck. Alright, guys, so this is just the stock servo, so it's not very strong. All right, let's check the temp of the motor, guys. This is the first time we ran the truck. Oh, she's staying nice and cool. Oh, that's why. Should we do it, guys? Should we do it, guys? Oh, man. Not sure what happened there, guys. That's weird. Huh. Guys, comment below what you think's going on. Alright, guys, well, that's probably going to have to end the video for today. I got to go take it back to the car, see what's going on. The ESC fan is on. The motor's not hot. The batteries are not hot.